Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to Computer Online. That is Chapter 2, more about Windows 7. So let's see about Windows. What is Windows? Windows is the most popularly used operating system because it is very user-friendly. Have you heard the term operating system? What is operating system or OS? See, your mobile phone, you are using an operating system. You know Android? What is Android? It's an operating system used in mobile phones. Okay, Apple iPhones is iOS is used. Okay, different types of operating systems are used nowadays. Okay, the most commonly used operating system in computers is Windows. Okay, so in this chapter we will see about Windows. Okay, and it is very easier to use, so it's user friendly. You can perform many operations on your files in Windows operating system, such as saving, opening or deleting files. So you can use this Windows operating system and you can perform many operations. Okay. First, when you open a desktop computer, you can see a colorful screen there, right? Yes. So the first screen that appears after the Windows software has loaded is called the desktop. See, when you open a computer, you can see the screen. That screen is called the desktop. Okay. So it contains small pictures that have different names such as computer, a recycle bin. Have you noticed this in your lab, computer lab? When you work with your computer, you can see small pictures there, right? So these small pictures are called icons. These icons represent different programs, files or folders that can be opened by double clicking the particular icon. See, the small pictures will say as icons, right? When you double click that icon, you can open that file or folder. Okay, see, this is the desktop. When you open a computer, you can see a screen like this, right? See, here you can see small icons, right? Small pictures you can see. These are called icons. Okay, the small pictures that appear on the desktop. These are called icons. Okay, so let's see the components of this computer icon. Okay, see, this is computer icon. Have you seen this? In the desktop you can see this computer icon. See, whatever is stored in your computer is accessible from the icon called computer. See, whatever you store in your computer is available when you open this computer icon. Okay, see this picture. When you click this computer icon, you can see like this. Okay, when you double click this icon, you will get a computer window. Okay, this is computer window. When you click this computer icon, you can see like this. Okay. So you can see various icons in the computer window. Okay, so these are different icons. When you open a computer icon, you can see this local disk icon inside, right? So what is this for? This icon shows that your computer has a hard disk drive to store and access data. See, already you have learned about hard disk, right? It's a type of memory. Okay, you can store and access data using this hard disk drive. See, this is local disk C, this is D and E. Okay, two or more hard disk drives are available. Okay, and each one you can use for different purposes, right? See, for example, local disk E, you can store songs, movies, pictures you can store. Okay, and local disk D, you can keep some confidential documents. Okay, whatever, or your projects you can store. So you can have it separately. Okay, so this is the use of this local disk. Okay. See, the next is DVD read write drive icon. See, when you open the computer icon, you can see like this icon, right? So this is DVD read write drive. Okay, so this icon shows that your computer has a DVD-ROM drive installed. See, already we have discussed that, right? So if you want to insert a DVD in a computer, your computer should have DVD drive installed, right? So this shows that this computer has DVD-ROM drive installed. Okay, so that you can insert a CD or a DVD and you can see the contents by double clicking this icon. Double clicking means you can click the icon 2 times, then you can open it, you can insert the CD and view the content. See, in this local disk C computer icon we have seen, right? So when you double click this local disk C, a window appears that displays a list of files and folders on the hard disk. See, when I open this computer icon, you'll get a window like this, right? So it contains many number of files and folders inside, right? You can double click each thing and you can view it. Okay, so when you open this local disk, you can have many files and folders inside. Okay, all the work that we do on a computer is stored in the form of files. See, whatever work we do on a computer, it will be stored as files. Okay, let's see the difference. What is file and folder in a computer? Okay, now let's see about files and folders. So what is a file and folder? What is the difference between files and folders, you know? See, for example, so what are the things you will keep inside your school bag? Whether you will keep your clothes inside? Yes? No. For keeping clothes, you have different luggage bags, right? So in your school bag, you will keep the books, notebooks, right? A pencil pouch. So related to school, what are the things you have to take to school? You'll keep inside your school bag, right? So for keeping the dress materials, if you are going out for a trip, so you'll keep the dress materials in a different bag, right? So for each and everything, you have a separate bag, right? So the same way in a computer, for keeping different items, you have a separate folder. See, for example, songs means you can have it in a separate folder. So that folder will have all songs inside. So each song will be a file. See, in the first example, I told you the bag acts like a folder. Okay, keeping all the textbooks and pencil pouch and everything inside. That is like a file. Okay, so all the schools or institutions, they will maintain a file like this, right? Yes. So see, in a computer you can see the folder symbol like this, folder icon. Okay, it means that it contains many files inside. When you double click this folder, you can see many files inside. Okay, so what is file? A file is a collection of data or information. So each file has a name and can have any type of data, including drawings, text, pictures. So it may be a picture or video file, whatever may be. Okay, so it's a file. So what is a folder? A folder is a location for organizing and storing files. It is used to place similar files together. As I told you before, songs, 10 song files are there, for example. So all these 10 song files will be grouped together in one folder as songs. Okay, if suppose there are 2 pictures and 3 video songs and 2 audio songs are there. So you have to make it separately. So you can make one folder for songs, one folder for video songs, okay, another folder for pictures. Okay, so you can make it separately. Okay, and you can give different names. Okay, so this is files and folders. See, in this PC local disk D computer, you can see many folders, and in that you can see this is a file and these 2 are folders. Okay, so can you see this icon? These are folders. Okay, so when you click the folder inside, you can have another folder. So these are files. Okay, so in this way you can arrange the files and folders. See, grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are folders. Each folder will contain details of that particular class. Okay. Now let's recall what we have learned in today's class. Okay, so today's class we have seen about the basics of Windows, right? So Windows, it's a popularly used operating system. Okay, and when you open the windows, you can see the desktop screen, right? So in that you can see small pictures that are called icons. So in that we have seen about computer icon, right? So in that computer icon you have seen the local disk, right? So local disk C, D, E, so different hard disk drives are there. And one more we have seen DVD read write drive, right? So and finally we have seen about files and folders. So folder, it's nothing but collection of files. Okay, similar files you can group it together and you can make it a folder. Okay. Okay, dear children, I hope everyone has understood the topic, right? See, after watching this video, just go to the WhatsApp group and have a check. Okay, so I'll send the question paper to you. Just find the answers and send it back to me. Okay, and you can submit the answers to me. Okay, if you have any doubts in that, you can contact me and you can clarify your doubts. Okay, dear children, thank you. Have a great day.